Namaste, welcome to Divya Ved Yoga. I am Divya and today I am going to tell you one asana from sitting position. This is called Paschimottanasana asana and we are going to do very easy pose for Paschimottanasana, that is Ardha Paschimottanasana. In this, our front side of the body is called east side and the back side of the body is called the west side. So when we will be doing this asana, we will be doing Ardha Paschimottanasana from one leg. This can be done as a preparatory pose for full Paschimottanasana, which is done with both the legs together. So this asana is very beneficial for stretching up all whole body from head to toe. So when we will be doing this asana, our whole body will be stretched and there will be good stretch in our ankle and calf muscles, thigh muscles, hamstring. So it will reduce the leg cramp and fluid retention. There will be a good stretch in your back, so there will be good flexibility. It will improve the flexibility of your lumbar region. It will reduce the mild back pain. If you are having a mild back pain, it will be very beneficial by doing this asana, and it will give good contraction in your abdomen, interior parts of the body parts of your abdomen. So there will be good pressure in your thorax and abdomen, and it will improve the function of your respiration, and it will improve the function of abdominal glands. So there will be good secretion of the glands. There will be good stretch in your spine, so it will tone the spinal nerves, and so overall this will be very beneficial for whole body. But if you are having a very severe back pain, so please try to avoid this asana. And if you are doing this during pregnancy, there should not be any compression on your abdomen. You have to adjust your body so that there should not be compression on your belly, or you can avoid this during pregnancy also. So let's see how this asana can be done. For Ardha Paschimottanasana, we have to sit with your leg stretch, then bend your left leg, place the sole of your left leg on the thigh of the right leg. Inhaling, raise both the arms up, and exhaling, bend from your waist and slowly go down and grab your big toe and try to touch your forehead on your knees. Inhale and exhale deep normally. Try to hold this position as much as comfortable for you. And for releasing the asana, slowly raise your arm up and bring it down from your side. The same way we will do with the other leg. Bend your right leg, place the sole of your right leg on the thigh of the left leg. Inhaling, raising your arms up, and exhaling slowly, bending down and trying to hold your big toe and touching your forehead on your knee. Without raising this leg up, all the legs will be firmly pressing the ground, and you will be holding your big toe or feet and putting your forehead on the knees. You should be bending from your waist and not from your shoulder. Your shoulder should not be shrugged. It should be lengthening and holding your big toe and going down. And slowly coming up, bringing your hands back from your side and stretching your leg from your front. You can do this asana initially for 30 seconds each side, and slowly you can increase the time for doing this asana, or if 30 seconds is even more for you, you can hold the asana as much as comfortable for you, and slowly you can increase the time. If you have any doubt or anything, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.